Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I am Matt. Hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to check out the OSMAL pod system from VAPORESSO. This is a tiny little refillable pod system that has really nice performance. I don't think that this is your final packaging, so let's go ahead and dive into it. So inside, you will of course have your device with one pod installed, a micro USB charging cable, a manual, warranty info, and one of these little counterfeit cards. So here is the device. This thing's about 84 millimeters tall from the top of the pod to the base there, primarily made of plastic with some texture on it on both sides. Little light indicator right there. Says VAPORESSO OSMALL right there. And there is your micro USB charging port. Built-in 350 milliamp hour battery. Now, I should say that this is quite inexpensive. I've seen these things from like Chinese retailers for like 10 bucks. I believe the MSRP is $13.90. I would expect to see it around there in the States. And I'm kind of digging the plastic. You know, it doesn't feel like a cheap, thin plastic or anything, but it makes it really, really lightweight, and I actually think it looks cool. I've been using the gray one here, which I like quite a bit. Let's go ahead and pull the pod out. You got this little sticker right here. Contacts, airflow hole. Looks like there's a little membrane inside there. Side fill, okay, and this is their, what they're calling regular 1.2 ohm. It's a vertical round wire coil. And there's what the inside looks like. It's about a medium MTL draw. And so I'm assuming they are going to be coming out with other pods for this too. 2 ml capacity inside, and they are using a flax wicking. Like I said, vertical coil, really comfortable mouthpiece as well. So let's go ahead and fill this thing up. There's what your port looks like. And I'm going to use some unsalted watermelon peach. And you just kind of want to tilt it like that. You know, I'm not super fond of side fill ports, but this one isn't too bad. There's enough room for the liquid to move past the coil easily. Let's go ahead and close this port. And there's what the inside of the device looks like. You got 2 contacts on the outside, 2 magnets, and an auto draw switch. Come on, it's kind of deep in there. It's hard to see, I know. Oh, there we go. You can see the little auto draw switch down inside there. Let's go ahead and install our pod. It can go in either way. And once it's in, the pod has a little bit of movement, but it's not bad. I haven't had one come out on me.